Good afternoon. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the notification bell. And today we got something to talk about. And that's the completion of Tesla's factories, well, Gigafactories. So without further ado, let's get right to it. All right. Let's talk about it. And the first thing I wanted to say is all you other electric car companies are in trouble. Now that Tesla has completed their Gigafactories, you know what time it is. It's time to ramp up production. So now that all factories are basically going to be able to produce cars, this is going to make deliveries a lot better. And eventually the wait time for vehicles should drop down, because now the people in Europe will get a local car from the vehicles that are built in Giga Berlin. The people in China will get a local car from the cars that are built in China. And the people that are located in America, North America, will get cars from Giga Texas and Fremont factory. And Giga Texas, that is a massive factory. The size and scale of that factory is gonna be amazing. They're gonna be building the Cybertruck out of the Gigafactory. They're also gonna be building the 4680 Model Y batteries. Well, the 4680 batteries, and we don't know where the batteries are gonna go. I know they're going to start off with the Model Y and eventually bring it down to the other vehicles. So I'm very excited to tell you that the factories are now open, and now ramping up production is going to be the next step. So producing as many cars as possible. That's definitely going to be a priority for Tesla. And it's amazing just to see where Tesla has come, because they've been building this factory. I remember when it was first announced, and I never knew that they would build them so quick. I never knew that they could build such a massive factory. And this is not no regular size factory. This is what they call a gigafactory. So the size is massive. So a lot of car companies, electric car companies like Lucid, Xpeng, Neo, I know they have Lucid Air, and a lot of EVs companies, they haven't been investing. I know GM has been investing and Ford has been investing on building out more factories for their electrical vehicles. But now that Tesla has their vehicles ready to be produced, this is only going to increase their massive lead in electric vehicles. Remember, Tesla is about 5 to 10 years ahead of the rest of the competitors. When other car companies are still using the 2170s, they're moving on to a whole another battery like the 4680s. So when it comes to battery tech, they're the number one lead. They've made huge investments in nickel and lithium mining, and they've gotten contracts with a lot of companies that are going to allow them to stay ahead of the curve in case prices increase during inflation. So Tesla is making big moves, and I want to congrats Tesla for being able to produce the Gigafactories, and now that it's finally ready to be released and the grand opening is happening and all that stuff, this is just amazing. They've actually changed their headquarters over to Texas, Giga, Texas, and now what I'm noticing is with Elon Musk being at the headquarters at the Gigafactory, Texas, it's going to be a lot easier for him to make moves and adjustments on how he wants the vehicles to be produced. Another thing that I wanted to let you future EV buyers know is order a Tesla now before the price goes up. The price is going up. Yesterday's price is not today's price. I'm telling you, it's going to continue to increase with inflation, and it's going to continue to increase as long as the suppliers and manufacturers increase the price, because that's what's happening. And Tesla will always, if Tesla has to pay more to produce an electric vehicle, then that means that you have to pay more. So this is why you want to get in on an electric vehicle now. Even right now, I kind of feel that, especially the Model 3, isn't really affordable. It's getting to the price point where it's not really affordable for the average person. Like, for the size of the Model 3 and the price of the Model 3, it's getting a little bit high. And guess what? They just increased their prices again with the performance. Now it's more expensive, and the long range is more expensive. So they might do another increase on prices with the rear-wheel drive version. So this is why you want to get in now. See, look at this. Look at the prices and look at how much is increased. It's becoming unaffordable. So this is why you want to place an order now. Don't wait for the 4680 batteries to be complete. The 2170s are just as good, because you know when the 4680 batteries comes, they're going to raise the price again. Because why? It's a new product, a new demand. And there's going to be much more demand. And where there's much more demand than there is supply, you know what that causes? An increase in prices. So I just wanted to make a short video just to let you know that you car companies are in trouble. So get your act together and get those factories produced. Because even right now, Lucid needs to open another factory. They need to open another factory because there's a lot of demand for them. And basically, due to the fact that there's a lot of demand, they have to start thinking 5 years, 10 years ahead and start building factories. And they're always thinking 5 to 10 years ahead. That's why they started producing the factory, because they knew at this point there'd be so much demand. So I just want to make a video just giving my thoughts on Tesla and other car companies and how the factories are now open. So that's all I gotta say. So thank you and have a nice day.
Hey, would you like to win a Tesla Model 3? All you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And one lucky subscriber will win a Tesla Model 3.